this is for the first time that I having my channel. So we're gonna do is that I'm gonna show you guys how to make the airplane. So we're gonna start with the first simple airplane, which I actually fly. So first of all, you get a sheet of paper from a notebook, as like this big. Then you fold it like this. Then you open it, but the first thing you have to know is that you have to make sure they are the same long. See? The same long. The second you open it, then you put it, so then you fold it back up like this. Then you're like, wait, I need some thing on it. So like, so let me do this first. So then you do this. As you can see, I fold it like this. And then we'll use the other side to do it the same. Just make sure they're the same height, because if you don't do it, they are not going to be the same. So then you open it, but make sure you open it this way. So you open it and it end up like this. Over here, and you flip it around and you have the proper shape. Then you're going to make sure they're straight, not opening it up. Then we're flipping it we're flipping it back like this, but make sure they're in the total same line, because it's not gonna fly well if we do not put it in the same line. So let me show you how does it look like when you're done with it. So let me go get the example. So it's gonna end up like this. And that just turned out pretty good. I tried it, so this is my first time making it. So like, see, like you gotta make it like this. I don't know. Without the subscription, then you're gonna fold it the same way which we just did. Like this. The same as the other side. Over here, you do the same thing like the other side. You need to do this like 2 times in one of these planes. I hope this guy's easy for you enough, because it's easy for me though. Then we're gonna like fold it like, gonna have some problem with this paper. So we're gonna fold it this way. See, we're gonna hold it this way. And it will fly, I think, because this plane, this airplane, this is flying on YouTube. I make it by myself and it actually flies pretty well. Now you got, whoops, wrong side. Then you're going to put it down, but make sure the wings are big enough. So as big as you can, but do not let it like go down like this. That's just gonna be too heavy for the wings. Do not make it like too big or too small. That's just gonna be not good for the airplane. See, now I got this. Like, I fold it. If you can see it, thumbs up. If you can see what just changed, see some in the comments below, because this is a white paper and then the same color, so it isn't having different colors. So then you do the other side, that's the same. We're not done with this step yet. So we fold over here, see? And then the last step, we're gonna fold a bit of the paper upwards to make it fly. So like this. So we folded it like this, see? Like we fold it like this, if you can see. And then you fold the other side as the same on the wing. and then you open them up. But do not open these yet, so make sure they're in the straight line, then open them so they won't be like tilting like over like this. They will be staying in a straight line. And check your wings. Do not let them go too up or too down. Just stay in the moderate size. Moderate means like medium. Then you open them. And we're done with this plane. You can go try outside because this plane is actually flying pretty cool. So that the airplane just made is on the tree, so I have to use the one that I just made before I make this video. So let me just continue on this one. And it's stuck on the tree, everyone. So that's why you do not ever do that. See that the tree is up there. Now we're trying to get. So guys, is this better? I think it's better. So let's try it out. If you like this video, please subscribe and thumbs up and open the notification bell so you won't miss out any more videos from my channel. So see you next time.